Hello, pre-calculus, we're back. Hopefully you took a peek at this and did the best you can, but this is about eliminating the parameter to get a rectangular equation to match these parametric equations, to match the same graph. So the idea for us, the little sneak attack here, if it involves sine and cosine, was to use the Pythagorean identity over here in pink. So that means getting sine by itself and squaring it. So that's what I'm going to do first. I subtracted 13 to the other side. And then I'm going to divide by 5 to get sine all by its lonesome. And then I'm going to square both sides. When you square a fraction, you have to square the numerator and square the denominator. So if I square both sides, I would be left with something like this. Now I'm just going to leave it like this. Yes, you could multiply this all out and expand it, but if you remember, we're dealing with circles and in standard form, and this is going to be helpful to us. That's our h, and we have our h and k. So there's sine squared. Same argument for cosine squared. You could subtract 13, divide by 5, square both sides. And then all we're going to do is add those together. We know that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. This is what I got for sine squared. This is what I got for cosine squared. And I set it equal to 1. And it's starting to ring a bell, like, whoa, that looks very similar to an ellipse. And it is an ellipse. It's a specific type of an ellipse, where my vertical stretch and horizontal stretch are the same, thus making it a circle. So we got one more step to put this in standard form. We know it's a circle now because these two numbers are the same. And the center radius form for a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. It doesn't have these denominators. So the last little step to this is just going to be to multiply everything by 25. And when you do that, you get this. Standard form. Center, radius. Here's some suggested problems for you guys to do. Page 842, 7 through 19 odd. There will be some problems I'll want you to show me the solution for, either with a flip grid or sending to me on Google Classroom. I really do like hearing you guys explain things. I know a lot of you prefer to send me emails, but the talking about it and having to think about what you're going to say is part of the learning process. So I really do like the flip grids, but we'll just have to stay tuned to whatever my instructions are, whatever I decide before I post this stuff. Okay, so those are my videos. If you have any questions, please show up to office hours. Bring any questions you have. You can always email me, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. Hey, we're cooking with gas here. We're in week 3. It's moving fast. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, making good decisions. But again, do the best you can, and come see me if you need some help. All right, bye.